If you are a college student and you are looking for a way to earn some extra cash, I'm about to share with you an easy side hustle that you can start today. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, it seems that everybody is looking for a side hustle. Everybody wants a way to start bringing in some extra cash. And I'm about to share with you a way that is super easy to get started with. And you can start it in the next few minutes. Now, what I'm talking about is a program called Nexus Rewards. Now, Nexus Rewards actually makes it possible for you to get paid for showing people how to save money and actually get cash back every time they shop. So how you can make money with this is by joining Nexus Rewards, and you can join as a free member or you could join as a premium member. Now, to make the most amount of money, you do want to join as a premium member. Now, to become a premium member of Nexus Rewards, it's only $22 a month. All right, keep in mind, this is a business opportunity. But if you really break it down, think about this for a second. It's $5.50 a week, right? So for $5.50 a week, you are now giving yourself a chance to earn an unlimited income, an unlimited monthly income. So once you join Nexus Rewards as a premium member, you're going to be giving a referral link. Now, every time you share this link and somebody decides to join Nexus Rewards and become a premium member just like you, you're gonna earn a $10 commission. But this isn't just a one-time commission, right? This is every month, right? So as long as your referral stays active in Nexus Rewards, you're going to get that $10 like clockwork, all right? And here is why this opportunity is so dope. It's because what people get when they join Nexus Rewards, keep in mind, you're getting access to apps that give you cash back every time you shop. You're getting access to apps that actually give you discounts whenever you travel, whenever you go out to eat, with your medications, prescriptions, things like that. You're gonna have access to apps that actually save you money. All right, so in most cases, whenever you get a referral and they start using, the program, they're not going to want to cancel. Why would somebody cancel if they're getting all this money back every month and they're saving on things that they buy? Why would they cancel their membership? So keep that in mind. So just do a little rough estimating, right? Just say, in the next month or two, you got 50 referrals. So 50 people join Nexus Rewards. You're going to be earning $500 a month, right? So at that point, guess what? If you wanted to, you could actually just stop promoting it and who cares and whatever, and still keep getting that $500 residual income. But it gets better than that, because the people that you refer, they're going to get the opportunity. If they want to, they can refer Nexus Rewards to other people. And why wouldn't they? Because they can make money just like you are by sharing this opportunity with other people. So when they share this opportunity with people, you're going to make money off of that. And when those people share and those people, right? So it's like, yes, you're going to get your $10, right, from your referral, but you can earn a lot more money from other people's work, right? That is that network marketing aspect, but it's just dope because you're making money, while you're sleeping, right? Like, it's like a no-brainer situation, right? So that 50 people that you referred, in the first month or two, whatever, that $500 that you're getting monthly could easily turn into $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. No joke. So now it goes back to what I just said. You are a premium Nexus Rewards member. You're paying $22 a month or $5.50 a week. Now you're bringing in, $500, a couple $1,000, whatever. Is it worth it? You know what I'm saying? Like, does that make sense? And here's another thing that I should mention, but it's like common sense. But don't forget, because you are a premium member, you in college or whatever, you got your bills, guess what? You should be using the program yourself, not just referring it to other people. You need to be using the program, because you can get discounts whenever you go out to eat. You can get paid for, every time you shop on Amazon or Walmart, or whenever you go out to eat or travel, whatever, you can be using this program. And another thing that is super cool about Nexus Rewards is they actually have a bill reduction program that you have access to as a premium member. So depending on, if you might still be living at home, or you might got a little apartment, if you got a phone bill, if you got electric bill, gas, anything in your name, we have a bill reduction program that you can get access to make sure that you are paying the absolute lowest monthly rate for whatever that service is. Now, I'm sure you get the opportunity, like, yo, damn, this is cool. Like, all right, but here's the thing. How am I supposed to get these referrals? You know what I'm saying? I'm a college student. I got things to do and I'm working, whatever. Well, here's a simple way that you can promote this opportunity. And that is, you can get a simple flyer. So Nexus Rewards has pre-made flyers that all you need to do is download them and take them somewhere and just get them printed out. Or if you're in college, you might already have a printer or whatever. You can print these out, and all you need to do is post them. You can post them, or you can get smaller flyers made and just pass them out, right? Or you can get what they call drop cards and just leave them places. Trust me, when people see this opportunity and they see how they can save money, they can make money, like, people will check out this offer, right? So you can get flyers and leave them on, what do you call it? Like, what's them boards people post, like bulletin board things. You can put them in little shops, little mom and pop shops. You can just put these everywhere, all right? And when people go and they see this opportunity, when they join, you're gonna start making money. This is a dope side hustle, because remember, you're only paying $22 a month or $5.50 a week. You're actually, if you use the apps yourself, forget referring people. If you use the apps inside of Nexus Rewards, it's going to pay for your monthly membership anyway. So really, it's basically free, right? If you decide to use the apps inside of the program. So you're really in a win-win situation, because when you set up this little side hustle, your job is just put out them flyers. That's it. Now here's one very simple but powerful tip. If you decide to use the flyer method to refer people, what you can do is buy a domain name. Now you can look anywhere from Namecheap or GoDaddy. You can get a cheap ass domain name, something simple. And this is what you want to put on your flyers. For example, if you want to get trynexusrewards.com, you buy that domain name. Now whoever you buy it from, you want to do a domain forward. All that does is take your Nexus Rewards affiliate link, which is not too appealing, and what it does is it forwards to that. Your new domain name forwards to that domain. So for example, if you bought trynexusrewards.com, if anybody types that name in or even clicks on that, it will be taken to your referral page. All right, you don't have to do that, but it's just like a little, it's just more appealing when people see it on flyers. But the cool thing about the Nexus Rewards flyers, they have a QR code on them, right? So all people got to do is, if they see your flyer hanging up somewhere or they pick it up, all they got to do is scan it with their phone, right? And it'll be taken to your referral page. So this is like so easy, it's like ridiculous. Like, you can't really get easier than this. This is one of them side hustles that can turn into a crazy monthly income. All you really need to do to make this work is follow the steps that I just laid out and take action. If you want to get started with Nexus Rewards, all you need to do is click that first link in the description. Once I see that you joined, I will personally reach out to you and help you get everything set up so you can start earning that monthly recurring income.